If there's one thing that our clients are really familiar of with our job, that is the profitability and the return on investment for each of the product that we are submitting unto them at the end of the day. Hello, soon-to-be deal diggers. Welcome to the Amazon Product Researchers Hub, wherein we make simplified video lessons about the PR process, which aims to help you, aspiring product researchers, if ever you decide to pursue this niche. Don't worry, we're sharing information here based on our experience as Amazon product researchers for years now. So in our last video lesson, we've discussed about cost price and sale price. If you haven't watched that video, I'll be putting the link here. Just click this one and this will lead you to the video if ever you wanted to watch that one, and that would be very helpful for you if you're just starting your PR journey. As I've mentioned in our previous video lesson about cost price and sale price, it is very important to have this basic knowledge about this too, because this will lead us to having a good profit, ROI, and profit margin, which is very important for our client and for us to maintain our job for our client. Now, before we dive into our content for today's video lesson, guys, please don't forget, if you like our video lessons, please subscribe to this channel and hit this notification bell so that you will be informed if we will be uploading our video lessons for you guys. And without much further ado, let's not waste more time. Let us welcome Daddy B as he discusses to you what is profit, ROI, and profit margin. Now, let's start digging.
Okay, this time, yung i-discuss ko naman is mga basic terminologies na ma-encounter natin during product research. Yung makikita nyo ngayon sa screen ko is madaming lumalabas kasi mga tools ito. Pero later on, i-discuss ko isa-isa kung ano yung mga tools na kadalasan na pinapagamit ni clients. So sa ngayon, sa screen ko, meron tayong SellerAmp, ScoutX, Easy Insight. Pero yung gagamitin lang natin ngayon is yung SellerAmp. Okay? First is yung profit. Ibig sabihin profit, magkano yung makakuha natin, excluding na yung lahat na babayaran natin, like FBA fees, Amazon, like prep fee, tax, lahat. Bali yan na yung makukuha natin ni client. Okay, for example, this one, product na to. So let's say, nakuha natin dito sa source sa Vitacost. Tapos, yung profit, dito natin makikita yung profit, which is $9.86 per unit. Ibig sabihin, kung makakabenta si client ng isang unit nito, meron siyang $9 sa product na to. Okay? So, kung makakabenta siya ng 10, almost $100 yung profit niya. Tapos, yung capital niya per unit is 18.60. Somehow worth it. Kasi imagine, makakabenta ka ng 10 units lang sa isang ASIN lang to or sa isang product lang, meron ka ng $100. Bayad na yung pang 1 week na sweldo ni client para sa atin sa product na to kung mabibenta within a week na 10 units. So, yun yung profit. Next naman is ROI. Kadalasan yung hinihingi ni client is at least 30% ROI or 35% ROI, yung minimum requirements niya sa ROI. Pero dito naman sa product natin is meron tayong 52%. Ibig sabihin goods siya. Okay na product na to. Okay? So, paano naman makalculate yung ROI? Just simply divide yung cost price, is 18.62 divide 39.9. So, meron tayong 46. Kaya naging 52% kasi meron pa tayong hindi kasali dito yung mga FBA fees. Pero almost the same lang din. Ganyan lang. Pero kung i-add natin yung FBA fees na babayaran natin, naabot to ng 52%. Okay? Next naman is yung profit margin. Okay, yung profit margin, kadalasan hindi hinihingi ni client kung magkano yung profit margin ng mga product kung mabenta. Kasi usually yung hinihingi niya is yung ROI or yung return of investment. Okay. Pero yung profit margin, yan yung percentage ng profit natin sa total na revenue natin. So, ibig sabihin, kung mas mataas yung profit margin, bali meron tayong malaking margin para in case magtatap yung product or meron fluctuation, meron pang babalik na pera kay client. In average, at least 10% or 15% yung hinihingi ni client pag sa profit margin. Makahanap ka ng product na merong 15% profit margin, ibig sabihin goods yun. Pero dito sa atin, sa product na to, is meron siyang 24, which is more than good yung nabigay natin. Manually, kung paano mag-calculate ng profit margin is just simply divide mo yung profit sa total or yung sell price natin, which is 39.92. So, meron tayong 24% or multiply natin to sa 100 para makuha natin yung isa. So, meron tayong 24.6 or 0.7% na profit margin. Okay?
So yun nga, as product researchers, we live in this rule that is called the 3 times rule. So Daddy B has already mentioned this one in his previous lesson that is entitled Amazon FBA Product Researchers Should Take Note. If you haven't watched that video lesson, guys, I will be putting this link on top here. Just click this one and that will lead you to that video. So when you say 3 times rule, if we're going to buy a product that has a cost price of $5, we should be able to sell it on the Amazon for $15. $5 should be paid for the item, $5 should be paid for the shipping to Amazon and other fees like prep fee, and $5 should be left to our client as a seller. Basically, with this idea, $5 profit for the $5 purchase of a product will lead the client having a 100% ROI, which is definitely most of the clients are asking for a $5 profit. So, kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng client, guys, nasabi ko nga on our last video lessons, the first thing that they're going to give you is their criteria, which is usually they'll be asking for us to submit products or leads that has a $5 profit and 30% ROI. So, which is really reasonable for their chance of success in their Amazon business. And always remember, guys, that the profit of the certain product that we're giving our clients is like their lifeblood for their Amazon business. So, having a good profit, it allows our clients to sustain their expenses and cover their operations. Same idea also for the profit margin. And of course, having a higher ROI means having a higher rate of profitable investment for our client. So it's really important that we should take note of these three. So definitely having these three factors on point somehow assure the success of our client in their venture in the Amazon, and definitely a factor kung ma-retain natin yung client natin at tatagal tayo sa kanya. Because if we're not feeding them the criteria that they're asking for us, so there's no sense of keeping us. So again, guys, we've already prepared this series of step-by-step video lessons about the PR process. So if you wanted to watch more of these videos, please subscribe in this YouTube channel.